In a sun-drenched corner of a leafy garden lived a cucumber named Coco. He was bright green, bumpy in all the right places, and had a heart as big as a pumpkin. While other vegetables were busy reaching for the sun, Coco spent his mornings watching the garden wake up. Coco had very special vines. They were long, curly, and incredibly soft. Most cucumbers used their vines just to climb, but Coco used his to reach out and say hello to his neighbors. He believed that a garden was happiest when everyone grew together. One Tuesday, Coco noticed his friend Pip the string bean looking very distressed. Pip's long, thin body was twisted into a messy knot, and his vines were tangled tightly around a rough wooden stake. He couldn't reach the light. "Don't worry, Pip," Coco called out. He stretched his curly vines further than ever before. With great care, Coco began to tuck and pull, gently loosening the tight loops that held his friend captive. With one final, soft nudge from Coco, Pip was free. He let out a happy sigh and stretched his leaves toward the blue sky. "Thank you, Coco," Pip whispered. "I feel as light as a butterfly." Later that afternoon, Coco heard a tiny sob. It was Amity the sweet pea. She had grown so fast that her delicate tendrils had snared themselves in the sharp wire of the garden fence. She was stuck and scared she might break. Coco didn't hesitate. He leaned over and showed Amity how to relax her stems. He used his own vines to create a soft bridge, guiding her away from the sharp wire and back toward the soft garden soil. Soon, the news of Coco's kindness spread. Pip the bean decided to help too. Together, Coco and Pip spent the day making sure the younger sprouts had enough room to breathe and grow. The garden began to look like a beautiful green masterpiece. One morning, the gardener walked into the patch. She carried a woven basket and wore a wide straw hat. She stopped and gasped. She had never seen the garden looking so tidy, healthy, and full of life. The gardener reached down and gently lifted Coco. "What a wonderful, helpful cucumber you are," she said with a smile. She chose Coco to be the very first vegetable picked for her harvest, a special honor for the friendliest vegetable in the garden.